Wake County, North Carolina. Well Contractor Bond. What is a well contractor bond? A well contractor bond is a type of surety bond required by Wake County for individuals or companies engaged in well drilling, construction, or repair. Its primary purpose is to safeguard the interests of the county and its residents by ensuring that contractors comply with applicable laws, regulations, and contractual obligations. How much does it cost? The cost of a well contractor bond in Wake County can vary based on several factors, including the contractor's credit history, business experience, and the bond amount required by the county. Typically, contractors with good credit and a solid business track record can expect to pay a lower premium, while those with less favorable credentials may face higher rates. The bond amount required by Wake County is determined by local regulations and may vary depending on the scope of the contractor's work. It's essential for contractors to obtain the appropriate bond amount to meet the county's requirements fully. Why is it required? The requirement for a well contractor bond serves several important purposes. Consumer protection. Well drilling and construction involve significant financial investments for property owners. Requiring contractors to obtain a bond provides an added layer of protection for consumers, ensuring they have recourse in case of financial loss or damages resulting from contractor negligence or non-compliance. Regulatory compliance. Wake County, like many jurisdictions, has specific regulations governing well construction and maintenance. By mandating a bond, the county can hold contractors accountable for adhering to these regulations, promoting safe and reliable well installations. Financial responsibility. Obtaining a bond demonstrates a contractor's financial responsibility and commitment to ethical business practices. It reassures clients and regulatory authorities that the contractor has the resources to rectify any issues that may arise during the course of their work. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.